guys. Hope you're good. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And guys, we are new on the YouTube channel. And yes, okay, let's start by introducing ourselves.
I go by the name Mafolo.
And I go by the name of Miriam Mafolo, but you can call me Mrs. M. Guys, we just moved into a new house, and unfortunately, we didn't manage to move in with you guys because I was doing my MBA and I just completed my research and I have submitted, and I will be graduating, I think, in May. Okay, with that being said, we bought a new Christmas tree. Okay, when I get time, I'll just show you the empty house. I'll just show you the video of the empty house. And then we haven't done so much in this house in terms of decoration. So we will be enjoying this journey with you, decorating the house. So
guys, today we are gonna be decorating our Christmas tree, and today is also my dad's birthday, so we are currently celebrating his birthday and all those stuff. So
since I have mentioned that we have bought a Christmas tree, we are going to decorate it today. So it's time. It's Christmas time, so we are just going to unpack the Christmas tree with you and then decorate for today. And then please make sure you
like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so
you can
be notified when we post more of our
videos.
vlogs.
And yes, more videos are still coming. Enjoy.
Here is our Christmas tree, so unpack with us and then we'll assemble, then we'll put the decoration.
So which side can you put it? This side or that side?
I think this side.
This side.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, come pack the Christmas tree with us. So
So first,
this is the thing.
yes,
Guys.
it will need to look here to assemble.
Wow, I think have to do it like this.
Have to do it, so it can stay in place.
So guys, we used to have the green Christmas tree. So this time we decided to go for white.
So we can line it up also like the house. Then every time it's green and it's so small. This one at least is much more bigger.
Yes.
And
So meet my husband as well. Birthday.
birthday boy.
That's my husband, guys. So
So guys, these are the decorations. As you see, we bought them from Checkers, and we're gonna set them up.
Game.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna put.
Guys, this is how it looks, our Christmas tree. So guys, we are not yet done. It's not the final one, but yeah, we are hoping to get like maybe a white maids under the Christmas tree, and then we're gonna put some gifts. And then yeah, so guys, this is how it looks when the light is on. So when the light is off, this is how it looks. It's so beautiful, guys. I love it. This is so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Very.
So yeah, we're hoping to get some more gifts and a white carpet just to spice it up. Yeah.
So yeah.
It's the end of our vlog for today. So follow for more.
Yay!
Yay! Bye.
Bye.
God bless you guys for subscribing in our YouTube channel.
And I hope
we
you
love and appreciate you guys.
and I hope you enjoyed our vlog today.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.